Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. It's me Sushant Paul in front of you. A very good morning all of you. Hope you all are doing great and I'm doing fantastic today. Today I have come here rural area. As you can see behind me there are so many what should I say? There are so many paddy fields and there are so many trees over there, and it's really it's really a wonderful place. As you can see, actually after coming here I'm passing very good time. One thing that I love traveling, and I like to travel, and that is why actually I have come here. So once a week I try to go out, I try to hang out with my friends, but now I have come here and I'm alone and no one is here, as you can see. So if you want to improve your English speaking skill, in that case you have to speak English and you have to practice regularly. I mean, you can make video like me. It will be more helpful for you. If you make a video regularly, you have to maintain your regularity and uh, try to uh, make video like me. I make English speaking practice video each and every single day. I try to make a single video or two or three video, and I think it will be more helpful if we practice regularly. So we have to practice regularly, and if you want to improve your English speaking skill, there is no any shortcut way. You have to speak in front of camera, or you can practice in front of mirror, but try to say something. You can say you can just go out and describe nature, like as you can see there are so many trees and it's a tiny pavement, or I can say it's a way, a road. And yeah, so just practice. One thing, that practice makes a man perfect, so we have to practice a lot. And just look at the view behind me. There is a tiny river and there are so many trees and there are so many villages over there. And after coming here I'm passing very good time. So in this video I would love to share with you how you can practice, how you can improve your English speaking skill. So if you want to improve your English speaking skill, in that case you have to speak with someone like me. I make English conversation with foreigner. You can just visit my page, or you can just visit my YouTube channel at the same name, Mr. Paul. Okay, so I think it will be more helpful for you. You have to listen a lot. You have to listen English music, or you can watch English cartoon or English video. I mean, you can watch English podcast. Those all are helpful for you. Okay, so you can try it. And each and every single day I try to make English speaking practice video. So yeah, and a little boy, she's, as you can see, she's trying to ride a bicycle, and it's a way on the way. Yeah, so this is how you can practice. Just go out and try to describe nature or anything that you can like. Okay, so this is the way. So that's it guys, I don't want it more longer. Have a good day and goodbye everyone.